Good morning. This is our weekly E3 market report. Exports have just come out. Let's go straight to those. Let's see what we've got here for cotton. 300. Hold on, that's incorrect. We've got a very large number, 402,400 running bales, up 33% from the previous week and 75% over the 4-week average. China took 98,500, including Pakistan taking 70,600, Turkey taking 61,400, Indonesia taking 38,800, Vietnam taking 26,400. We're looking at 2018-2019 net sales of 118,500, with China taking 72,500 of that. Shipments, very big, 432,500. That's a marketing year high, up 42% from the previous week and 56% over the 4-week average. Now, cotton was up about 90 before this report came up, so it was already anticipating a good number. And then we come up with an even better number than they thought, so we're up 137 right now at 77.32. Going to soybeans, net sales of 743,200 metric tons, up noticeably from the previous week and 11% over the 4-week average. Mexico took 194,200. China took 164,400. The Netherlands took 154,900. The report, just before the report, beans were up 2.25. Now beans are up 2.5. Corn, net sales, 1,769,600 metric tons, down 4% from the previous week, but up 27% from the 4-week average. Unknown destinations took 426,600 metric tons. South Korea took 330,200 metric tons. Egypt took 225,000 metric tons. Corn before the report was up 1/4 cent. Right now it's up 1/2 cent. Wheat sales of 393,400 metric tons, up 36% from the previous week and 67% over the 4-week average. Mexico took 106,400 metric tons. South Korea took 79,400 metric tons. Indonesia took 74,400 metric tons. So, where are we on wheat? We were down 2.5 before the report. Now we're down 2. So just quickly look at some of what's been going on lately. I've made a few notes here. Cotton, we have seen spec long or speculative long liquidation here in recent weeks and have had a 881 point drop from the high made January the 12th to the low made yesterday. And now we're starting to firm back up again. As far as what to expect, I think we saw a lot of spec liquidation of longs. We had a very big position that had gotten long the market. I think they've shaken a lot of those people out, which often is the case with these markets when they get too speculatively long a position, the market corrects itself. So we'll see if we had really outstanding exports last week. We've got really big exports this week. So let's just see if this thing can support this market. I would think it could, but we'll keep an eye on it. Soybeans, corn, and wheat. The news driving that has been dry weather in South America, speculative buying, winter drought in the Midwest. All have been positive, especially for corn and wheat. Just in the last 2 days, we've made highs there that would go back over the last 3 months. Soybeans haven't done as much. We're sort of in the middle of the range in soybeans that we've seen over the last 2 weeks. So it's had a more difficult time rallying. Certainly corn has looked good and wheat's looked good. One last look at the markets, up 127 in cotton, 77.23 with a high of 77.42, a low of 75.89. March soybeans up 2, 985, a high of 988 1/4, a low of 981 1/4. Corn up 1/2 at 365 3/4, a high of 365 3/4, a low of 364 1/2. March wheat down 2 1/4 at 458 1/4, a high of 464 1/2, a low of 453 3/4. And this program today brought to you by Bayer, their E3 weekly market report. We do it every Thursday. We appreciate their support. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you right after 11 o'clock when we'll review the crop report. Thank you.